Some people, they buy prick like that, they go pay cash. If you not tell, some kind of things where some people, where person supposed to, the woman say, I buy my husband prick, I pay cash. You understand? Now, listen, Destiny. Now, wait, be say, Esther enter marriage. Ovye sanwine. O ma fo egbe. Esther na do hin kitaba de so ye de gbe ogbog so. O we gbe ya yin yan soli yan agu. Emi no we yen wetin dey do am for inside as no fit explain na come out. The wahala too much. The problem too much. Then the solo one. O ma get time agbon because some people really dey. When they go they beat you, you know if you explain yourself. Not be everybody they beat you me you see explanation give. You understand? Not be everybody they beat you. I've been because of say the money don't finish. Me I don't know because I see here say they say the guitar way day neck will be good. They say una don't sell until shop finish. Nothing till so therefore marriage ends. All right. Since Edward was a nice woman, he live and we be say, get your way ya passes away ya bibiri. She's nice. That one, nice social media. Respect her word for. Because it's a good a woman. Some people, you know, go even try her. Who damn one say you want to go here, something here. Not be saying a joke. Go and ask questions. You will use your leg enter there, eh? They go carry a coffee where I am well at only don't not say me you. On the right place, I am dead body way. If he don't beat you for the right place, I am dead body way. I walk with you, Decky. That is some kind of some people where they follow drag pick. But that wife is a very nice woman. Now your even second wife, now in the beaten. Or the bed, that in the care live video every time. Esther came on live video. He insulted everybody. After I don't fight all of us finish, I don't know what to do solo for his ass. So tenen it been akwe ya mo se keniji meje wo wasef. He go carry a rich woman amandi. Or when you ever need me yaji marriage ye be 1960. That time we don't even know say marriage ye ma fo egbe. He get one day when I wake up for bed. Till 7 early in the morning, I see Esther for live video they cry. I was like, Jesus. 7 o'clock, even them what is going on? I don't know who they saga, who they fight with that day. J'ai mes musicians wa avec les musicians wa vie. I be saying so this musician come the crisis where he marry. Again, now of year you baby, never marry. Vina ma 7 years, was you know with this my ego eye. Now I tell no say. It been an again, I'm more it be like say they don't win for inside this fight. Because you know if you tell me say you go marry. Anybody way you come for why you have it been on here, my darling, not be married, you go marry. Been a river. Now fact now you carry go. Now you want to talk. You say family don't settle one. I don't understand. You say family don't say me you go beg the first wife. Not the social media if you insult. Our destiny, we are not setting why. You be man way no sabi as na you be. We are not my son or you whoever. Man way never reach where they marry. If he marry, na so wait till they behave. When he measure mo imodai law we marriage ni. Yes. Because the work we all of us do, we know now because they talk. You fit to say you don't know, you just say now so you see people. I'm a young person like a lover now share video. What a waking young kid. Where did you say they come? They come from? Not at Ayeva. Now you say now so they don't talk to family. With due respect, we don't have disrespect for the Bagwa family. Because we know say gele. If you have to yari you whole bit. Oh why my darling you wado tima. Now una kon carry us even self una who worry me by me no ya anyon. Una ask something join our something. Our local government for this abroad one of you are ye kurion. Una carry and go village. A platform yana ga gbe bube igbi Esther destiny ga if they come away boy go back bolo yekun no be so mountain All bakpolo yekun, non be sumonting. Where a destiny can they use juju they do for abroad people body. Say a get ye keni yangi di go jiwowa. Or remain on waro. 2,000 euro. A rod of job bring and come out. Now we spend for no matter. As a day yes, so still they pay me because we married hero number 1. Number 2, asipa aka or we say me need my own for inside. You understand? I don't know how much other people where you carry them. The ones where you carry for visa where you they pay back. If you don't pay finish, come and look into our matter so that our own you people will return it. Genuinely, your wife, your second wife will be musician saying money where they carry Esther is 400,000, 500,000. For all this whatever components, wherever they carry and so 400, 500, they carry only said destiny la go. That one don't reach. That one a money. Yare naira ni buto. Anywhere where they spray for Esther. Value naira. No abuse and value and you they use that one for that side. Because I think you know they gay. My me go ni marry no G. The webo. We don't get money where they give for one a boy man of ye bore. He no get us una want to talk. Imamu ware handed. We cash una audio day. The time where we our eye all of us can't open now to say bo waya amwima. Who want tell us say may we see they support you or may we see they if you we boy ariku the same person will tell all of us say bowa to fian we na akpakataka no bonu wa mula we bono na gelezi we bube ba wa later una con laugh them una say they no make am una say they no get money una say they no do this one una say na so their life no dey okay they go do you destiny. You see the one where you don't come work. That I know say una no dey come abroad again. I know. Yes, so I know say una no dey come because play bo Felix Buwa Canada. Or na Felix Buwa Italy. Anywhere where una enter go fake Buwa. Ave gent in the river do mu wa no yem no gbalegbe. For the human trafficking where una can use under the influence of abroad. Say do. Because ogboma yese no re depo na una bi. Then you can't talk say social your second wife. You say now you married the destiny guy to you. How you take married them? You know yeah when second wife talking for party say my boy. You say if first wife slap you to her for that side. I bet we get that video. Me wanna bring her for me. Don't want the video ni go. Anybody will get that video for if Facebook. Or the video you cut on that day where they don't. I bet bring and come out. You talking for one video like that. You say, in short, he say, "Inya gwa away because my need buwe." That's what she talking. You know, say only I am best alone. So he evenu no any wa la di ma wa to tayo we na be o ga fly ma le different place. We need that. Yes, so my one like no because as they fall, is very important. You don't know as it's important for some of us. Somebody like me, very important. Yeah, worry. Yeah, balance your you. It's very important. Not because the legal they say kokobiri. OJ. I have been begging your only learning and look. Now low for a very long time. No, I the video. That one they very, very important. Lario. Destiny, you say we having managed so. Il connaît ma guan la video quelqu'un. You know, say some people they don't la video. Now they for the talk. We know the talk for la video. If the something they grant ma roto my mudia boti. Lario. This your small boy. Destiny. Where you say, where you get more prick like you. Apart from video, he don't ever come constant for grant, come support you before. That one no make be. Because the people where you say want make be, they don't constant with their money. They will take support you, grant. What we carry go we go. I fear no. I lemon to I lodge you. Say how we mean ya destiny. You say. Not be we give you a star. What a walking again? Again, una ye bomima. What a walking the time when you they use juju cashos. Wait till you say it be. The time when you they run ye Korean, the last one where Esther come from Canada. Esther got to egbe. When I vino. Fresh one as they take vino for a body. Not be it go Canada. If not be me, where you can't they use my mouth, they tell them everything the way it they act on a bono. As when you were sitting and then I'm more back, let be a Korean. And you sitting in your top. And we mama rene ni makuni makba era le no way. Iyaga mu yagboto, iya mu egboto yaga mu egboto, ya mu yaga de, yaga de. Era le no way. Make ya sewebo, ekoko du ya yege mavio ikpe no gyobo. Iya no ruma me. Wona ni mariena na tie lidi na bia no ko no fowo wa ma we no gahin. O fowo wa ma we no gahin. Everybody go come for us. Mama had the aje re ya pay her cent ya ma pay no we go wa we no lo e ma hian we bo baba. Egi. O wa ni mamu yo to my 40 ma hian bo togba. Togba ti e gbi go no ro to na many years osa. Na le musician, I know they go where musician dey. Na YouTuber for the year and wana je bom me. Destiny Vesta na wana ye botem mu wana ye 2000 ye gbo. E gbagmo we gbe o wa. I need my money. Cash. We ni yari ye nu wa. Na so I tell you down. Onti wari go me. Awe man wa ye ku wa mi wa. Are you hearing me? I will begin to open and here with Bob. Then the message the live video na esta na ye bom me. Ni merie 2000 guinea. So therefore, why when my darling, you will suffer bring my money, you go give me. Thank God say e bo we pa ni. Because me no fit call that one love because you say na fake. E me no ri mu ehia do tama we e love ga no because you yourself no even believe in her. You say na fake, na eye service. No, why me I say na a bo service. On a estimé si on nous siesta. Ou yari go me cause again na aye bomu me to tabi wo. You know say na fake love I dey carry the go. Una ye botem mu. Una ya me 2000. Egbegi oho. Now, we bo people we know they use their money play with person. When we boni ya ilo ni malebu na. God come deliver us. Wama mu westa we na wa be mu bu we na wa be mu gbe mu la we bo. Na wa le destiny na ye boreng iyon ya. Once a particular destiny ya to ma. Before destiny go say, brother, call what they will get. Oh, I have go. What's it come be this? I say, no, don't see this man for that table. He go say, Yare or not table. He did there. Roy, Mufito Dava, my brother. If you do, Mufito Dava. Hey, destiny. Who must sorry go me? Talk back. Because I not con your ass. Now my house I day. When you can't use your juju take carry me. Una we bo we ma mu me salebe no. So if you don't ya fefefe, awe ya fe ni. All of us our eye don't open. When the measure boy you na we right now. Egbe me wa clear. E bo we lie me gbere ni bu wa be stand kwa ya damage. 2000 if I use that to do my own. I know where you want go. Wana ye bomi me. Una kon carry and go to do now for Nigeria. You want to talk una be ma ye say by you say no be we give you wife. That's ni wana gwale me. I really the year I say na troublemaker na you be. Why you like to the look for trouble? O wa we mes wanzaga. U manari go me. Aba bo however who la jamu ye ga fie pa gbogbo ohun. Iya ga fie tomato se gbo ohun. Iya ga fie igbero gbo ohun. What got ye boss we. Esther got ye boss we. Or bo got ye even you even play native daughter brother. Una be fie or teen native daughter una fie ego. Una be ye bomu you collect money for native daughter brother hand. Say you want do face for am take come bro. When you ye bomu ma. E bo we rane. You know they work again. Or na baba no go ha we bonu but go tell the baba say he get where something the rich go see expire. Like now, as we talk so, you don't expire. La wo Esther, ya haye bomu and redo. Aye bo we mu yo pia opa. Uma le nwan. Ubege boga if yan gbo mu nine. That your juju go carry you enter abroad. Or uwagelere, then you go carry you enter prison where you go relax for 10 years. Now that one, now you go. Now you go. I say, me you tilly. Not be joke. The time where I tell you last year, me I played the video where I tell you last year. Say, advert in Uyame Uwebo. I am where you are. Whether you like it or not, you say you want use me to do advert, me you take get money. I can fear me ya with you. I will book here ya boy. Or tell me boy got tongue boy. Why we boy would be say? Now that time you go tell no say I zero ni ali only to sit down for do live video to do saga, chess saga for how many years we are in India. Boy, you go no say no be money. So you go bring and come. Make I play the video where I tell you last year say. We bona when where you say you want use me to do a vat me you take come abroad.
God bless you. God bless you.
I say you don't know what you take the play. Try me. Try us. Try me you see and say every night baba tiji. You must give me my money. You can answer. You go pay, talk back.
Everybody for the same man we don't get married about it too much. You don't get mad, as I say so. It might be like chicken. Yeah. Now for body for slim man we don't get more than the total. As I say for this, we pay a little bit. All the little bit. And we are not the we are pay fish. God's man. You know easy. Okay. You don't tell me so you call here. Which woman you carry?
Atuna ye matter. That is second wife talking. They insult Destiny publicly for his party. Or we been wakwa mi na of you who no. A mind you don't get mind. And that's not lie. He tell us the weakness of your husband. He matter me na we tell of here. Arabarobo. Tell must to love we be. Last year when you follow me draw saga. Now I tell and say we need to be me. You never know. Now this one that they call you never see anything. Oh ya go me baba. No I na who am when you talk. If the Bible ye breast piece you home. Woman I well a berry take a bebo. Not be joking. You know, say if I tell you, I'll say, don't be joking, you say, not joke. All right. We move. He say, as soon as see and so, he not get mad, though. Oh, we are not setting you why. Make una listen, my darling people. Some blogger way call can come out. They don't they bring and come out. Adam, yo.
That's the body for the same man we don't get married about it too much. You don't get mad, as I say so. It might be like chicken.
Oh, when mad the Destiny, or what are you ever? He say it be like chicken. He say you don't get my Destiny, you don't get my now you go marry two wives. You don't even fear now your boy at Bewe. You say my family don't carry her. My family don't call them. You will be man. You don't fit do anything. Now your family now you can call. May they can't tell Esther. May you go best second wife. Because your first wife don't already tell us, your second wife don't already tell us your weakness. Okay? To Zua. Esther tell me, man. Or where to Zua. Or what Zuo, no makon. Or who makon, or where who na mwe nukeken. Or where who Destiny. Or woman why. Woman send or you quiver, we care where he be. Because I felt talking just now say, now ma we get big brain. Or we make no who. As long as you don't get big brain, we are kiano who want for come. If small brain raise a kiano who I think go just make lokoto like this. No feel reason. Now big engine for you. Now they raise big prick. Wait for the stand strong. And if you know we win anything, Destiny no be backward. If you know we win anything, a Destiny no be backward. If you know we win anything, e kia we na ye twin, erede na ye hirerunda. They cannot taste an zao. You need to get small brain so that you feel raise your small prick. No, say now brain they start prick. If your brain just small, just now, you can't get big prick. How you want a reason? The prick go there. Therefore, not even they manage you since. So you need your brain need to small. Because when I be serious kotua. You get it now? When I be serious kotua.
I see my we don't get married about it wife. You don't get mad, that's what I say so. It might be like chicken. Yeah. Now for the body of a swim my we don't get more like the data. As I say for this, we be a
Una ye matsa. You see, as soon as I so be a gay, this one I can't be you be a social media no here de bay. You say who big if slap they come for first wife and what they are with destiny. Parasa or what could be there what they destiny or e bamarozo. If they come for this out there, you are e tamaraza. If they come from the other side out there, you are e na oberitari kerenani na joy we ho the bubi. You see her. Now, what do you cost yourself because you don't get mind? That mind where you don't also get. Nice man like you, if they control you, small boy, where you they call your papa, say you they give him money. Now, if they control you, tell you what you want to do, you have the etin you denujena, the dene na cause women mind. Now you want to talk. Don't be here with baby. You say gay. The one where Esther do, it dey grand. You can't talk another one. You say, na your family. Na you marry una. So, they're not supposed to talk. It not be social media marry a word and Esther for you. Who me mean destiny? Who we me? The time when you dey shout, they say, if you don't know wagae, 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 they man no walk arriba. Which people you just say they did? Abi because you know they see our face, say we stand for share. We join Esther family for palo, they do the marriage. Who could send mark be family ni be ya? Me no water. Who could send mark be your family player? Oh, when mamu you talk for how many years? It been an my son at a bunkum. Even it been an na ya very marriage ma a family work been na ya. I they ask you question. When you go say no be we get marriage now our own. So when no yazagai now sit down now come tell us. For live video. Now tell us how it is scatter. How it return money. This one where you they talk for year now say, now so they can't say family don't talk and they say make it beg. Now social media is for you. If for you certain, you go beg for social media. Now what is social media ask and be that one? They not talk say them be a word friend though. But now what they just ask them because of how work be kuyebu. Second wife, they respect first wife right from time. But your second wife go disrespect first wife, you go disrespect husband, you go shame her for public. That's how much go to him and say, man, I'm going to be son. Yes, now. The time when you deal with only a word, now respect. When you measure, a daddy me at you way. Say what I'm going, he might get the way you women mind. Say you be better person. I don't know, say you be small boy. You don't get mind. You be thief. You don't get brain. Agbuwo biwo everybody got buwe Esther igbuwe e mani do you go the way before how many years they will constantly beat you joiner. Then me we be Rita we be tell my daddy say he do ballet ne beat daddy because they do the right thing. They feed me, not be me they feed them. If they walk now walk whole long where I go today we not follow us where me and children go. If you walk finish, you will come to take care of me. Fear, not let me try him. Say, I'll come sit down, come tell my big daddy say. Come tell my big daddy say. With this, I the craze. He can't me before. Not to talk of una way say now be people now na be. With tradition. A second wife on a mission. Second wife on a mission where you carry come. Come tell all of us how you be gaga we how you be zaga we hokwa. Igare eho we go to hila cause when you nye ogbi. Or say you have you be and have your way for your ear. You know, yes, somebody and I say, if I bear word, if she come my house, I go boil hot water, wait for her. Because of when you see me here, when they carry and say, one person will just come, they follow you, the dragon, like I don't get it. Or let's say you own know this, you know, sweet and rich, like the way we rather want to this sweet me. Get it now. Now, cause I will be say they see they slap you. Now, cause I will be saying, ye ho, where way, la balaba ne ya biji anytime. Just imagine you now, ne ya be yo. The third wife will go con. I'm more on ya ben. If the two one way you get for it has the color slap for your ear, tasa. If the two of them, they use slap till they tear your ear like it go. Who can be me with this straight? We no yak man took my son, do we no man yan ya kuku. This time around they come here. When my took my son ya ku. Amma where you just come public on table say any mind. My husband not they talk you. It's not the talk at it, but a man they can't hear. No be man we woman to the play. They know they even they talk. If I lie, no be man we woman to the play. Because you know the right thing to do. You know we can't tell and say now what you want to be this. You know my disrespect, so you know it him. You go they do and I go even tell you say this thing they supposed to do one like this. This is how it's supposed to be. You must say be daddy. You must say be daddy. You must say be daddy. Not to talk of. You. Esther ne. No mamia mure. Dry bone. Shall never live again. He say that they carry your face. Come that they will slap put. Yeah, you bizarre wewe. So Esther there what you bizarre wewe. Mama move when we had the women always sagavo line. You want to insult me, insult my own husband, and you away. Imagine me yet is zago bijou. Waiting my husband go do you. My husband not decide to. But if my husband decide to talk to a person like you, if you know why, you will not say no be person talk to you. If he wash you, only one word, then he could tell you as a man to man. You go and buy yourself. You know that you don't ever finish your life. But it's just that some men, they look you, that they use it, they play. They know they tell you the reality with this life. So error, we are in a error, say asukbiane. You don't know say man the error. Man the error now. You don't over error. The first error, now to look that woman, see fine rich. Disregard and disrespect and carry as zigangu de the meta. That one is the first error and the first disrespect. Even if you were not full. To God who made me, we for not see you finish. Just tell me away full. That's the truth of the matter. Lousy person. All of us for this social media before you pipe me, maybe me gage pipe me gat. When I see you for equal, I don't say pa. Undermine say you rego here with totaga. Undermine say you they pick money they go for totaga. I see say but this girl whether they call Esther, we no get character. As he can courage you, managi domie where even easy math te talking. The ubi ya lolo we ho wa. Yenga gia ejo edian. If you reach where the first wife don't even gia ejo do. E you we agalane. Na me we birika you want come carry here we don't the liquid water come meet. Say you want a turtle. Say you no go give me my money. You must give me. You go give me. I even buy table. You couldn't whatever Germany wa here ticket in waya. Una set ticket. When why stingy say? Una even set ticket. Some table 400 euro ticket table. Now I buy. I be 300. I don't even remember how much una put. I remember a guy in Berlin that we called. I not trust that they do free advert for una the consents una not pay. Say I go sit down for free table. Not be party I go that day where I sit down for share. But now it was almost 400 euro that I pay for table. That's what we paid. That's why I'm telling you. Say 2,000 day with you. This is a joke. We pay for table. Now so now they do one before. If we bonorama, whether they insult every time. You know sabi dress. When I know sabi dress, they will come set table for abroad. Party where we they go for abroad, we know they buy table. This musician go concert table where we want sit down put. Tell listen to what we dey hear for YouTube every day. Same thing where we dey hear for YouTube on a daily basis. They will come tell us say we set table. But a baba when yeah. That your baba can dey try. They go put phone number there. We really they call the people they go. Hello, my brother. My brother, hello, Abena, you the set table. I want buy the middle class table. They will give her name. First table is 400. Is the senior rent table. Then the junior table is the middle class table. Anyway, I hear the table in here. The same way people where you say they don't have it dress so. That you don't do high table with them one day. When I don't ready high table with them one day say the highest bidders. People where emano equally advertising or river. I remember one girl, Asaboro. If to say now only that advert of Asaboro, even Asaboro appear on ground more than 1-2 times. Wait till they do a VAT for a party. No ya wa VAT yiku no ya tie. E ori party water we live do ipa ne o wa lele me o wa hian wo. For this abroad, ebo we na ga fian tata. Ebo we na ga fian tata. You can't even sell table. I use our own hard money. I pay for una table. We bought a table. That share we sat down that day. We bought it. Not be for free. To say people want to come spray for you, you organize show. Una the set table join all the table we they are there. June ordinary share, one share like this way, the share una they put for grant. Una go say that share. Ordinary audience is 50 euro or 20 euro. Or 30 euro, they will buy tickets. That time they line up for ticket. Mama na egba wa, igo ke baba wajo. Ima line up until we be say magi gba wa ne. Say you people not be original na te they do. And now you will be talkative. That's to make us know you expose every other musicians where they come from Nigeria. Who fire here? Ekinwa do say na juju place una they go. Esther, guy, dien doruwa ya. We are not aware. Our eye don't open. Or say manatamu wabu wajevu waja. Say there they play for people there. We want me 200,000-300,000. Me you did. Oh yeah. And Asaboro was INEC share lady. God bless you. Oh, that one was INEC share lady. INEC. Now that one. Why INEC you say election? INEC. Now they give that one. Yana you know yayo. Later, he say then they grateful. Or when Asaboro here nyano near him. Of your baby with you quite when you are here near Fiari there. Is they not saying. And because you know error rich we are there now, I know they open your nyash. Now so me they do. If you know error rich we are there, I don't go tell you say I see you. The day when you go error rich we are there, now I come to tell you say I see this one. I see that one. I see this one. I see that one. I just say make I keep quiet. Cannot they look for trouble until you look for my own. Until you look for my own. I not tell you say that your sister will stay with you for us. Esther. The matter we will not 20 almost to be wiver. At the end of the day, uncle, your sister and your sister was another reason how we take know my mind. And they give you code, so Imamu waffle. Your sister come to toss some kind of thing for granted. That's the yeah, real for how many years? Umata that your sister go not we waiting at some. You got 20 I with you way. Otonu best you no what do magwa when we the your sister we mat long we no serious man like you. That's what she talk. Umata that you what do agree against go mondan wa fun ba. Yeah, they attack me wa ne. Yeah, baby, who have marriage. Yeah, do jealousy and papa your way. You can't give all of that after you don't chop their money for different table. Now you cause and way all of us come no see now juju musicians they do before they come abroad. Never online. Now you open our eye. Who were around women who right? Yeah, it be like say where they sleep. Esther carry something. You was swear you're not see wa. You can't open a bodo. Say me the son to open. You can't open. You get one video again where Esther for the talk say a depression or we bohere anything. Mare me do you wagogo. A depression or ever here no. Me wa just Emmanuel France. Inya we depression is a one layer say do are be here to. At least my me kuren waya agogo. They were mocking people in abroad say nothing. Now they carry play they come they give us this thing for this I say depression one woman. Ije me akpa morokoto edigwele awebu. Emi ya fi gwe Edigwe enter abroad. Everything change. Esther ori gbowa ona gbode ona do gbisi ne webo ona liye ya ona ye ya mami. He use everywhere te ton to wota when he open mouth. Esther and his sister open mouth then in short we could what they have said, we could analyze it to be plenty. We just know their heart. That heart where they pour, that one was sweet. It was sweet. Now Paris, they will talk that thing. I come they listen that day, I come they laugh. I say now, wow. It's a sebo na we yobo. Now it's a sebo. Now you consider tell everybody say now so this one, now so we be. So tell you one come be coordinator of Europe women. We just sit down, go cross leg. You go cross leg, they tell Europe women, say, wow, be local champion way for wapa. A local champion way. Yag be for wapa because if you do a way bonai mahia kiki where you swallow na kiki san. Or let's say you come who do total way bo ya be toilet. You will use many years to look for people boy gamu we ho vini amu we ho with talking that. A bag mo yo ho. I tell you agreement to la we be wa ho automatic. Then you will come no say the what they call the sacrifice people made for you, you will appreciate it. Not be you sit down for live video, they talk you. Me where they talk, I know let's sit down for live video, talk. I did the job of promotion. Big time. My page suffer. A platform won't me when you only range or susse or he all the top. After all those suffer, you can't see use until laugh me. You will be a stack back. But now they are giving away any platform who go wayane. Really? Really? Where are any platform or magi gubu wayane? That's what you said. And a video where was a potential damage to our platform. When you come ready to carry on, go give person way go copyright. You not talk now. When you go come they destroy people page. You come they use until they do saga for our side. They say this and that. Ignorant of here boo. Because you way they beat your husband for his ass. Person not even supposed to even get any regard for you as a woman. What are you as a role model? Role model way they do juju. Role model way they thief. Role model way they jump into another person marriage go they destroy him. I've been a role model way be say it they beat your husband. Which role model you be? Me I don't say the role model way you be. You want to go marry? You know you marry a bavio. You need to belu bijo a wo according to you. Because you say na slap on a te de the lawyer. If you go give am for that side, you yourself go give am. Uma go ho no hin wa, no hin gbe na you be. It go and be like cause you for many problems. I to talk or land where you are no jena. Iwe uga izerioja. Utubo we gbo mu gweria. You go turn to analyzer on a do live video. Because saga where you want come to for this cyberspace. Me I don't know shao. Or let's say na dream now I never see that kind of saga. If you say na the ones where I did see since 5, 6, 7 years. Now 6 years plus now I just compete for live video so. If you not feel quoi avec on a so na ya gbe na kere we do lo so dere. E so clear face so bunon ne okay so wobo. How much more say I want to see black ata blokoto. Listen to yourself. That's it. The bride price where you return. You're not supposed to put on for live video. Because the time when you dey enter there, you see am. As you take enter, you show us all of us come the day the video. Now I cause and we be say that one way they Paris come the chat. Wama pe over. Wama re pe one or whatever ze. Wama pe waiting see. We take call and may all of us come. Now everybody take come. Eyin re yari no ya so everywhere. Every matter ya tell we ya we na. We will go to bitter. Now, as you want to return that bride price, you don't put on for live video. Because we see the family when they do bride price payment. And we must saw even I pay me here. Everything we watch it live. Why be say wahin do zara kwa? We not come put on we be say we go see everything. Number one. Number two, you say social media. We are here we destiny. Who time me ma? We ma hin. Mo go find the video. Now ya gwa le the video rere. Where your second wife they talk and say my egbiye, my erinye, my ijinye. Now ya the video re nou we miwa. Me no be like say they pull life on head. Abi, not be so you talk on my people. See Anna. The one when I asked them just now, say, make una bring her 1 minute, so don't bring her come for a side what's up. Because they know say not.
Now destiny body as for the sleep man, we don't get married about to wife. You don't get mad, that's what I say so. It might be like chicken. Yeah. Now for the body as for sleep man, we don't get more like the total. As I say, what is the whoopie and let it go. All of it go. And we are not the man. We have pay of his purpose. God's man. It's not easy. Okay.
Unayera, he say if you want to come out for live video, say you go tell if Destiny want to come out for live video, if they don't beat and finish for his house. He say he go tell her so yeah, go and cry. Now so Esther they do Destiny. He say if they don't beat and finish for his house, if you want to come out for live video. Oh we no see no can me vinegar if you. He say it's just a comrados area. Say he not return any bride price. It's just a setup to diffuse the situation with visa issue. That is why I would tell Abat, when we cyberspace now. If you really get sense, if you don't there for this cyberspace, don't follow person do what I give. Go sit down for his house. I don't want to throw some kind of word here. This very moment with the grant, so go sit down. You use number 6. You get some kind of people who you're not supposed to answer at this moment. Make them use your name bath. Not talk to them. Not talk about them. Because now set up. It like me, your papa block us this street, they flow. If you see and say they flow, you want catch the blockers, they not let your eyes, you want to and leave them. But what it concern palace, so me no they put mat for that one. You not concern me because the one no cast you know we no where a dion we nigi or area na tie Paris no ya give no so nuva. I know they go that area. That area no they ever they concern me. If you know say you not do well for that area, correct. But we want we can concern any other presenter we did this piece. At this moment, you don't even supposed to concern you. Person cry come say money not complete. Help the people. You are a speaker of truth. Defrauding people is against humanity. It don't work. Visa fraud did not work. If people cry, can't give you. Don't let anybody open eye for social media. May you listen. Head down here. Now that place you suppose face. Non be bigas matter. Egwan can be bigas. Egwan ye me bigas. Egyoni can we cause evani boloso wegbe. Or boloso me bore ni mwa yore ni gini. Na inigi they do those things. You can't see every other human being. Nigi ke. My darling. Now bring it on any. I hand do in we na feed das. Ya hand do in we na ya boludo. And so they hand do all those one. The best thing we're supposed to do, not concern any presenter for do cyberspace. You don't have business with anybody. Not even me where they talk. So anybody will call you for back, for fight, give her your back, face where you the face. You get mission. Your mission is to help people collect their money with their loss. Don't be distracted by any side talk. You don't take away the year. How much more say now that one we can get small prick. Oh, I don't know who. Like I bet throw away those ones. May you face the visa fraud money will be the most important thing because now that one they want. Now that thing they hurt them for body. They don't want to return people money. People are still crying. They need their money. If other one they help them, don't let people discourage you to collect their money. You did a great job. If to say this is exactly what VDM is doing in another place, standing rightly for people and you don't collect money, you show the good example of person where be say they want give them business. You don't say me they give you money first. That one is a human being. If that one they talk, people go they hear. I mean, people where be say go sit down, the price money, no ya tally rubbish. Give her money, sell the conscience, sell the life for peanuts. That one is a business person. That one can never be truthful. It can be ogbere. It can be here today, tomorrow it go there. It's not balanced. It's unstable. Now Bible talk and go to the book of James. It say a stable. So I don't know as it talking again. It's you know some people are very unstable in all their ways. A double-minded person. Thank you. How person they do double-minded? You are thinking about your money. You want to pay your bills, and you are thinking about how to also do the work of genuinity where you want to. You can't do it genuinely because money is involved. You have to go for the biggest bid. So throw away higher bid people. Throw away business people. May you do humanity work where you they do what people like. Now that one they get like at the beginning it was not interesting to people. Later it was interesting. Not let them threaten you. I know say you are a very strong man. This one is a right course. Let's be sincere. Because criminality they inside. Where then they use abroad they do are not even not here body never do. Where human trafficking establish destiny way. A nice sorrow we establish destiny way be say for the past 5 years. Some people not they tell na us. For how long? Some they they wash because they want to go to Europe. Some people not there una accept me share this video, my darling people. Help share the video for me. Some people not there una ask we be say for long. Now they work just for you one day to be able to come abroad. They have become house game. That is captivity of modern captivity. Modern captivity. Now destiny and Esther in the name of this abroad. We una the so now they use and take put people. The day where some people go cry, come out for inside that their house say, I they work follow these people for 2 years. I never even see abroad. Let social media have a leave. We go reach there because of me no see an established destiny. No saloba manazinya bobekun. Oh gabo. Ege no sabo ayazinya bobekun ye ya gbe kan no gbe gbe. Oge no see yan bobekun. You see, the something just get he get the way he get the work. If you na look at very, very well. Like me na my own day. Before I know what is happening, be na very maybe total. Maybe ofia your night and tell and say only when you know or one here or when one yan set leg me now. Those cyberspace now where be say make it been make I had been before. I be like I not be small picking. I must grow. I don't grow past some kind of things. You understand? So the thing where they there be say, not just look this side, look this. You see that visa fraud is very important. If you talk for them, you have support. But if you can't go palace, that one you know get support. A lot of people can't turn their back because people don't want to be involved in that circle. So you see, you exactly it causes traumatic feelings also. That they carry people come abroad, come to the collect money, and inside that their house now capon. Now it be like kaba. Some people did that Esther Kaba. We be say don't register for this abroad for the more than 2 years, 3 years. They never see abroad for I. They don't work like slave, like modern slavery. Esther is a stark illiterate. Destiny is a stark illiterate. They don't know what it means to enslave people because of a particular thing, expectation that they want to reach. They don't know what it means, that they call it modern enslavement. They'll be doing all those things, and they'll be very proud of it. Look at them practicing human trafficking on live and on live video, and they were very proud of it. They were very proud of it. they use them until they hit chest. Say embassy, they respect them, they do them like this. If they pack people, go embassy, go say, nah, do like this. I never see embassy. Eh? He say, Dr. Rita, Destiny shop pretty good money. You. Pretty good, I bet. Carry the evidence, go give a word. Say a word, Abat. Carry your evidence. Abat, say, no, they carry evidence, go the meter. One more evidence again, what give it? Ne, ebobe yaso, wo, no, ni ariguri. Because na money with the day buga for street. Na him be this one. Igo ni ya buga woe. Na him be that. And juju, according to them, they say that they do juju well. That's how you bog well remember. If back fail. If juju fail, you go see your end. You see you, sister, brother. Where they you bog where this time around, and the thing where you put mind down juju, wait for your day. Your day they come. Na sumo we was zingbi. Ekboko. You won't be out. You will zingbi. Gawosa zingbi. Your day they come. If your day come, it go do you like movie. You know what it be movie? You where they carry people name waka. Hanumaji nuri. Person where you not create where they carry a name up and down, their picture up and down. Zingbi. Ebo de na duza. Your day will come. It go do you like movie for You see that day, It's a fair way you be only do na ye system we na ye and when it's a la jam boy. Na so it go be. You see about say remaining 55 million. Now they want spoil so 55 million. Esther no and Destiny no one pay back. They want to turn it to be like their own personal saga. Say they quarrel, they know they again. A system Esther wari na name cannot pay osa. Who cake by Esther kahasa? Because now that osa na matter for inside. Fair pay debt to a day grant. People never collect their money finish. 55 million where they grant for money. According to people where they write for a year, say about say now 55 million remain. Ya pay osa no make na gefu. No contour say na so you want come out for marriage. Destiny say marriage where we carry you go. Where you tell us say may we no worry say you want go why I beg you home we are. Now you don't go or mama will be all right, no problem. We don't feel forced to say almost to arike no go go alo. No problem. Wo wo hia, mana we no we ahia na we no yajo. Sisi wo we dey won do wajo, won do worry. That one is your business, no concern us again. Because we know they inside we will say we dey ask for our own money now safe. Me you can't pay us our own money. Even commenters, viewers, even some of them are asking. Somebody asked me for his iPhone today. Said that the next time I do say ni because your money. They think when you marry here on that way, you know they sleep. You know they sleep well because of you. How you want to pay for all those ones? You supposed pay, my darling, because you want make any. You people need to return all those people money. My own, I know how much it be. All my video is 2K. You need to return it. My table 400 euro. Now we take bettable. Now we take bettable. If you make me invest, especially we are bettable for you. And if I did live video, I'll call her. I still remember who I bettable for you. And the table, the boy won't give the table me to say. Somebody say modern day slavery and human trafficking is 15 years imprisonment in the UK. You see? So some people did that Esther asked now. Now it cause where you go see people we go surround there. If you do Kenny manager or Jamie, iya jeva. Now we are there for put eye for something. When they know say this thing, this place where we they go, so we need a Larry. We put eye for something for you. Now it cause all of them they turn their children. Let's start open music school. A music school you get key because other musicians they not the see girl for see tailor again. They not the see girl for see hairdresser because those one not get a opportunity where they want to do concert for abroad. My tailor, if I talk to her, go say you won't no now let me they do the work. Oh. I don't tire my darling sister. Oh. I mean guess yeah baggy when we now. They don't want to learn work again. We don't know what to happen. None of them want we never bona one. Now this abroad matter na enjoy their hell. None of them want let work again. Mechanic go tell you say they don't want let work. All the mechanic, all the driver, all the tailor, hairdressers, who is supposed to learn work for Binia Waro Western Pokman. Here Pokman wo Western, they are washing Esther plate, they are washing Esther brazier, they are washing Esther pants, they are washing Destiny pants, they are washing all of them. Why? Because of this abroad with me and you this so. Modern day slavery. Then I walk one. If you economy me bu magba, if you boko ni yo, he afe any waki good ni me lewe but then you the data yana ya beg start the destiny with Canada. Iyan waru Wester. The ones where they wash Esther plate for money, it did different from the one where they wash them for afternoon. Why? Because of this abroad. Okay, madam, not the rain again. The one where they wash Esther floor for money is different from the one where they wash them for. If you know, see Esther na ovigwe locality. In back borone that old way be for live video that day where people they wash. Imagine the old war. Esther wa gbe tell you. You say you have a web address. 30 people they inside Esther house where they know they pay. Esther is selling. I pay agent service in because they want come abroad. Esther see you they wash cloth for her. On am ya a panty ya finwe. We wait there abroad before me come out for live video once now. Where I take they look for afternoon food for my children. Imami ask girl. And they look for after morning food. Imami ask girl. And they look for this one. Imami ask girl. We know they say ask girl and ask boy for abroad. Now we they do one by ourselves. Some of them will still manage. They will still pay nanny. One day nanny for abroad. They go rich person take nanny for a whole 2 years for Nigeria. After he pay that nanny finish, he go wear clothes. He go Esther party. Esther go still say no sabi dress. I will dress young man dey you see. He first have fist nail. He nail go be like this. All can beg. We may wait there abroad. All man akbe wuwa. Na ya mere nkpe gi here ebie nezi dio boya. They go tell you say you no sabi dress. Uga sene TV you wear am once. Oga record TV I make a judge you. Esther ga mu no wa e omune. Abe ma ya no wi anje we bu no kigwo mu ho ade do total yo wa. All the people where come from Gboko ni yo where come sit down for years where want come UK. All the people where come from Magba. All the people where come from Ewega. Where want come sit down for Esther house. Make them for come abroad. Make Esther put them for music school. So that they go come abroad, come follow Esther with me money aya le la we bo. Eri am jin do fi gwe ya hare sa Esther a best in na do feel like mommy and daddy. Iyan na do feel like mommy and daddy. If those people come, they will join it down. Jeme ni je la wo yo no be me a musician. Iyan ma hiye ke na da joge telo. Iyan ma ke ma ga ni rewe boga mukmo ni telo. C'est telo e pour so cloth. One cloth go last 10 years. Tailors go say no see we pa no gege. E ya fe yan waru we sabi na go na be do. Now they all of them for come they do music school. Esther come sew uniform for all of them for inside ya so na jinya ya here. Modern day slavery. When I walk one or Wester, some set of people did the way they wear so uniform. Esther has girl and has boys. Some of them they wear uniform. We wear the white because of a webo where we did. So Esther they do modern slavery capon for inside Benin City. For Esther's house need to be checked by police in Benin. If they interview some guests for inside there, I'm not joking. I am telling you people the reality. If they interview some guests for Esther house, a lot of people you will discover that Esther house was a hideout of human trafficking joint. Esther can't get music house for inside compound. For one corner for inside compound, more you have music corner. All of them go wear uniform because they want to come abroad. This set, they go tell them say a set in Canada now. What they now? One of my winner say a set in US. A set in US next year summer. Any kevani winner no niya pokma for free pokma. Niya bolo for free bolo. The ones we go no one measure where our gate a house or the Canada or the Germany in the next 2 years. The day Esther and Destiny compound. Or see another way. If they come a live video, the way I started the mommy not too old, Miss and not too a miss and what an roy been a billy yaquada. Or I feel like a bee mommy. Or I feel like a big mommy. Esther is organizing a capone of human trafficking for a compound. Esther is a human trafficker mommy. Emi na bi honire we bo we gene deni ante gbima wapa. Where they want kill many women put for this we bo those na Esther they organize for inside Benin. Exactly plus olosho joint. Plus olosho joint. O Western na wagwana or the junior the modern days ugbagwe. Na in the Esther house because o we single mother no. O hota no table one o hoka no seva. Now woman na they talk wetin dey happen. Wetin even no seven one o hota. Esther house is a modern days ugbagwe for Benin. When the magwana see Esther ayo pe boga jo ga sisa. Isi aisa say. Ihisa o dere bugbe ya. Kiye ke gese a wa vie pize yan ari o paru ke ya fe ni re orion leprosy home. A leprosy home of je de na ya fin ba yi ya. A leprosy home. O we di ma tian ya. I come to look for inside that video way for the talker. Why tian ya? Even the government might you we do. Even the mena wa emi nu we Esther ina ekogunu. All of us comes off we say, we will keep quiet. Now we might go but my when and second imagine I could do harang mo concerning you. If police enter arrest one girl for Esther house, then torture her, you go talk through the agreement where and mama from Ugboko niyo, Ugboko no magba, we guy. Coded human trafficker, exactly. We guy. The thing where they do. The agreement where they get with Esther, the modern days capone of human trafficking for Benin City. And Destiny. Destiny bagwa come be their daddy. Oh, boy. Call daddy. Damo, call daddy. Damo, sir. Call daddy. Call baba. We all like respect. Some of the night cousin for that abroad, where they, that video where we analyzed yesterday, it comes from that video. They say, Ike waso wa wafye ni uniform yo ton wa hiya. Wa gidia webo. Ike waso wa wavye uniform yo ton wa hia wa yiri webo. Ibi do nuzomo. Iri estara ata. Ike waso wa ake uniform egege wavye oto wa yiri webo ihon wa. Wa yiri webo because the one wey carry go there. As that one just dey reach there. As on akpe man. Yan se hotel ni amu eje yiri weba. Ori yiri tan. Exactly. Okay, a senior sister, they stay inside there. Only now we total course. A senior sister, a secretary, no coordinator, they guessing in Yahweh, a modern days Ubagwe. Oh, Wester is a Ubagwe. Now, it comes and we say, a word soft shift. You say, na ya boss, you little worry FCC. You know, go follow na go EFCC, and na no go. That one, you name one joy that the Sophie carry money come out. Sophie quickly cleaner. Esther is running what they call modern days caponization of girls, human trafficking. Again, if Esther come this abroad, now still let's go the shake match. Now you go the shake match, the follow on. And some guests for France, as we they talk. So Esther, you have your opinion. If they carry a guest follow, but just souk money in Nigeria, ukman gada. You go so I gather close for them. You go carry the condoms abroad. You come they use them. After they do finish, the ones where you want to say, so far make it meet those one meet agreement. Yeah, when you man know why go no follow be. In your destiny, their mama for village go the fear. In your me go, they will carry their picking. Una no yes say destiny say. He don't know why they drop out of school. For the video when I played 2 days ago. I retired Destiny. He said that they drop out of school when they enter music school. He said that they drop out of school. They will come enter music school. And yet, don't mind that school they don't want to do. No, so before. Others will be 1980. Ukwa polopolo, omono ba ne do no ramma. Wa talk be baba. He can't stop him. He can't say on a him be ho. He can say, on a marry, oh! Sote, na 14 years people come, they come. And we boy never this Virginia with Italy. Or Ibo go even they tell them that time to say, how old are you? Go say 20 years, you say you too old. How old are you? 23, go say, Kwelu is not good. No boy Kwelu. No boy Kwelu. How old you be? Go just say, Queen Dishi. You don't finish 15 years. Now those one they can't define. I cannot bury le kute with Italy because of people will be like Esther and Dokbari with destiny. Abiye le kute. Iyana igagwe small guests in Ikea. Ikea is in Yambo. So Italo people can't give the small ones where they come for Bini. They can't give them piccolo. A piccolo they can't call them. If they reach where they want to carry them, he go say, do big, to a granted. Joe boy piccolo. Like people like Esther and Destiny, we can call it Piccolino come abroad for people able me that made they do. Now know say what reach our Benin people our mouth sort of ignorance, especially this illiterate with this. Our kaka bog ba okoto. Because egbe agamuya. Just know say it gets the way we be. This is exactly what is happening inside Esther aboard. When I way they look that house, that's what they call the modern Bagwe. Or Western Watia a modern Bagwe this time around. Now it cause some way they go say, if they go sit down, they go say, yeah, all the students where did they school, if you want to do better, they are modern Bagwe. Those women we did this abroad those days. Me they tell now, una see that kind of thing for where Sandra did. Why me be Sandra there? Everybody my area we go. Una don't see her for everybody before. This kind of character where they talk so. Una don't see her for Sandra Gbogumbodi. Vene pa akobe base. Why me be character now we boy there? This one where we they analyze, they talk about so. Who na the see her for body? Destiny and Nesta. Now they do modern decarbonization of human trafficking for inside Benin. When they carry people come abroad, now they are away modern day slavery. Now it cause for inside that they are said way forward. Esther will live video song. You must hear 10 people voice that midnight. That ipalo different. No corner. If you look back of television, look everywhere. You must see girl for Esther house. Our boy is a modern house of commotion. Nana Bashie wo. Nana Ranger will tell them, say, you see you, we have the Canada next year, like the Tessera, where they collect 8.something million for your hand. They tell them and say, a Canada Majena, you know, say in America, you want go. No worry. Area Destiny, why you have a Destiny, yo. Some of them did that, but if police look into Esther and Destiny in Benin City, you will see small children that will report that they have been working for Esther for the past 2 years. They have not been paid. They are waiting to come to this abroad. Where me are you this? Esther and Destiny are heartless. Esther and Destiny, they are heartless. Now, of course, if they sit down, they do like this. They get money. Now, so madam do one for abroad. Me when they talk to you so, you know, say for live video, they tell you now, say now 2 times I pay. Madam not be waiting person, me no. We get the operation. Obey madam, those now. It get a time where you don't content they grow again. We are take the pee of for a madam. Yeah, is a freeze I was one live chicken. I'll go buy more than 50 live chicken. If like belay a fridge, before my week, madam, yakon yane. Iguali go here. Ire madam, yo Sauté, quand they pursue madame for drink, quand they pursue me. Because c'est me as wabo illiterate, on a the overdo has boundary. To the extent the thing go come the smell. Where the whole world go come to say this thing is no longer normal. Now so this Esther won't be. Modern house of commotion. Na Esther be house be Ugbagwe Nore Benin City. Modern days Ugbagwe, renovated Ugbagwe. Oh, West Ham. Ugbagwe those days for Benin. E washiyewo, the first ashiyewo was on Ugbagwe biva. Now there all those big man down Italy those days, if they come they offend Ugbagwe, they come enter inside Benin City. They don't feel cure around, they don't quick cure around, they come enter inside city by themselves, the first small girls they go. Now so all rest wahina in your destiny. Na Esther own job be so in your destiny. Wale ya mwebo bebo wa na be zingbe nupo no na be ya wa. Nware ya tina. Oya. Te erita ga ba wa o ge wo wa ni modern days gbagwe. E va reva you know what ya ni wa mwele dal video wa dia mo ya mi. Carry it and bring it out to live video. Let everybody see the whole world. Ni mahia koko gbise yo. Ara mi wo wuwe ni. Guess no the way don't work for this away bo matter. Ni pokman ni bolo where they agbe. Just for them to confirm this abroad one day. If they don't dey inside that your house. That's why they say, you see me, I said, yes, I marry. All of them, they fake account. Yeah, you fake account, be what you are. Oh, mama. People, we know what the guests they do for you. What do you? What the guests they do for you? You don't see musician guests for Bini. Wait, no, they get there. You know they go to their house. Our eye, now big musician like Nwamagbe for Get Boys, Bernard O, where they play music just in 1 we wear Guasco for Bini. I don't even go yes. I know where I know you wife for your car. Oh, I we are dead. Bernardo for car. For inside Guasco. Una way no one know what they talk. So where they play music this morning. Say I like him. Umagi ma begging yaropa. Esa na ye bom wima. E ma ya ni ma wa e be gbomomo. Ni ma yi nwa en wo. Esa na ya tami baba we no vie ya le ni ma re hon. Ni ma adam yo hin pa no ri agbe ni. Maybe they listen to only that one. We can't they play only that one. Having runeri nwe mani nwe master ni ga re we do we nwagbon inwana ya so nyene gbe inwana human trafficking malele inwana ojije we no see we can't they see emoji inwana bolele ne story lele tin local government. Esther go de Benin City go de chat. My mommy in Germany, in France. You walk by a musician or like Webona. Musician never enter here before. You open our eye. Now, I want to be one with my wife in our way. Our eye don't open because that woman me want not work with some. Be na move because me want not be when we are in doing. Now cause and we body can shake you. Yes. Esther, ya mwe boy your way, that your house. No be modern days of bagwe. Guess not they inside that house where be saying they work for the past 2 years. Because of this abroad, now made them they pokman follow you. And yana walk lele way. Now made them they do everything where they do follow you and destiny. Guess where they was so now head and they say. If you even will look at, guess not even there again where they learn work. Who they learn salute. That is why you see Edward is always on this thing. Unless knowing where a future depends on having a hand job or going to school. Now you go sit down and go say they learn work. In they go school. Now like and then we born now in Europe. Now Esther now come be the modern days out there. The only way to get visa is to take to you're not talking for life that day. He say visa. We are with 10 million or boy the visa. Good evening, mama. If you carry 10 million, you go to find visa they go. You not go see. Who ga le visa here? So in ya nana ki me basi. At the tell now waiting started the vignage. Even who do setting waiting beneath people go feed you. No, they know they tell you now. I tell you what can we bonus and waiting they will feed do be this. They say in the country of the blind, one eye man is the king. As it be said, they lock that road, say people don't go, they use human trafficking, they come, they cut people money, say come abroad, come lure them into prostitution, people don't come know what they do. Let them go and go to school. When they go, they graduate, they come out, they work small, money enters their hand, they test the embassy themselves, they do what they call application for visas. There will be humanity. Now, they respect responsible people they start to develop from. Not be quack. Let's have a destiny we ain't quick. Inside that their house, they go say, that is why you never see them. Some kind of people where they dance, follow them for this abroad, not they dance again. Because they're the verse for abroad people to see. Me, Eva money here, me and phone, Emma River. La here, via with the mammy, if you okay today, all those ones just they work because before 1 month, they 1 month, you know. Now we want to stay abroad or 2 months in my year with talk. Because where we are, we are going boy. I could go to Bomari in the UK, we are on now. We are away cleaning, we are one we are supporting family, we are away. Do we marry my job about the next one? If the other ones they come, you still now so then they do. You know, human trafficking carbon aboard. Now Esther and Destiny come be wrong. That is why you see them. They want to be using money to buy presenters where get voice. If they know that they have voice, they want to sensitize them. They want to cajole them. So that they'll feel enter their body. Make those ones they say, pa. Epa hello, or madam, you know how you pass them call. You know, okay. Alright, you know, money matter, alright. So that the channel of truth will be covered. But not stay there, not follow them, do those things. I trust you. I know say you too large. Nobody they buy you like chicken. Where over here son amiwa. Where belle industry. Where they take money from jig and dong. Say just to no yahin be him and or Peter will not have not different in no have because of money. When money is involved already, a best shift. You lost your value. You lost the value away for. Valueless. Valueless. Now you can never talk truth. Because if they give you money, now you want to talk about. So, shift. 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 So, Esther house is a modern day slavery house. A board of Ashewo, we na wagwana. Yes. Modern days Ashewo. People they inside that house as they talk. So, Nyamai pay. Nyamai Hassania, because they are getting ready to come to this abroad in the nearest future. So somebody say, make I check my phone. So when I don't hear when you call a slave just now.
You don't tell me so you call here. Which woman?
When I hear what you tell a slave just now where they work for this space, where go talk for a platform, he say, he say he don't like what they talk. So that is why Destiny follow live video. A door we can wear no way be, no way me ho, Don't ever forget this as a person. If you see, say, person, you not see a room while I'm at that time. Like, how many, apart from when the man come and say, oh, yeah, I'm going to go do DNA because they begin to resemble me. Although the thing not going to get head. Get matter, no green. Apart from that one day and one time with that man take come out. And at that matter, we really concern now we be in for his side, now he come out for. As una see for this, the way the Baba for live video, they follow different presenters, they follow different people, they go. Because someone know when you go. Now only this Destiny and Esther. Now they see for this kind of thing because when you are doing something that you know that when people go hear it go be